While performance matters a lot to most users, it's not everything because stability and the long-term longevity of your board is important as well. That's why Gigabyte has introduced our Ultra Durable 4 technology onto our 7 series motherboards. Ultra Durable 4 is a collection of different technologies that we've put on board in order to help provide the best protection for our motherboards. So first up, we're using our signature 2 times amount of copper for the PCB ground and power layers. Now basically this provides better signaling for the motherboard as well as better thermal properties because it helps, more copper helps conduct more heat throughout your motherboard. We're also using a new glass fabric PCB. Now this glass fabric PCB helps to prevent against humidity, so this provides humidity protection. Basically the weave that we're using for our fiberglass, or our new glass fabric PCB, prevents wetness from getting in through the different layers of the motherboard. So this means that if humidity is protected, that means you're not going to have shorts of your motherboard, electrical shorts. Next up, we're also providing high temperature protection. So high temperature protection in terms of using all quality components on our motherboards, like we've done in the past. So we're using, again, all solid capacitors, which provide a much longer lifespan than other capacitors. And we're also using high temperature, low RDS(on) MOSFETs. So these are able to withstand higher temperatures and provide better thermal properties. We're also providing electrostatic protection on our 7 series motherboards. Now we're using high ESD resistance ICs. So this basically allows for, it helps protect your motherboard against things like static electricity. We're also providing enhanced power failure protection on our UD4 motherboards. So this means that we're providing things like anti-surge ICs. If you're ever in a power electrical storm, when there's a power influx, having these anti-surge ICs can help protect your motherboard. Also, we're using our signature dual BIOS. We have got dual BIOS, which has 2 BIOS chips on board. If your main BIOS fails, you're able to automatically recover using your backup BIOS. And we've had this on our motherboards for over 10 years. So Ultra Durable 4 is a collection of all of these different technologies that will help ensure that your motherboard lasts as long as you need it to.